everyone. I hope you all are doing good and you're ready to learn something new. I welcome you all to the BSU YouTube channel, which is one platform to learn about many disciplines. Well, today we are going to learn about bones and their function, as you can see over here. And I want you to think about this, that have you ever felt your body? What do you feel? You might feel bones in almost every part of your body. The whole body is composed of several bones. Have you ever thought about what do the bones do, or how did they prove to be beneficial for you? Well, let's start with the starter activity. I want you to touch your forehead, your hands, and your wrist, also your backbone, and observe how it feels. Did you do that? Do you feel the hard structure inside your skin? What do you think these structures are called? Well, this video is going to help you learn what these structures are called. Now, let's see what they are. They are called bones. Bones are the hard structures you feel under your skin and muscles in your arms, legs, inside your head, nose, and other parts of the body. When you move your body, the bones move as well. Your body has a shape and the rigid structure because of bones in your body. If you feel your ears, you can feel soft bones, but still they are hard enough to identify them as bones. Did you feel your ear? What did they feel like? Even if you try touching your cheeks, you will feel a bone that is pointed, and it is called the cheekbone. Now let's see, what do these bones do? Well, bones provide support and protection to the organs like brain and heart, also the lungs. Then, what else do they do? The skull protects the brain, and the ribs, they protect the heart and lungs, as you saw in the previous slide. Now, you're able to bend because of your backbone, which is also known as spine. I want you to bring your hand on the back side of your body and see, did you notice anything hard in between? Well, that is what you can see over here in the moving picture, that it's the backbone. When you bend, it bends as well, and when you sit straight, it gets straightened as well. I want you to feel your chest as well and see that what do you feel? Is there a hard structure over there? Well, yes, there is. It's called a rib cage. Now it's time to learn about scientific names of some common bones. Well, these bones have some common names as well. Now I'm going to help you learn what their scientific names are. You might have seen skull, which is protecting your brain. The scientific name is cranium. Then you have the backbone. It is called the vertebra. Moving on, you have the rib cage. It protects your heart and your lungs. Normally you call it ribs, but it's called a rib cage if we talk about it scientifically. Then coming to next thing, it is the hip bone that you feel right above your legs. It is called pelvic girdle. Now, moving on, you see, have you ever felt that there are small bones inside your wrist? As you can see in the picture, there are so many bones over here. We call them wrist bones normally, being a layman or a non-science person, but the science person or a science educated person knows that it's called carpal. Carpal is the name for the bones in the wrist. Well, moving on, you have small, tiny bones in your fingers. These are called phalanges, as shown in the picture as well. And the last one, which is very important and very common, we call it the shoulder blade, which is a hard structure in your shoulder. The name is scapula. That's the scientific name. Alright, so I hope you understood much about the bones and their function. Now let's learn about some fun facts about bones. Well, bones contain a very important substance called bone marrow that makes red and white blood cells. When the blood flows, the blood contains mainly two types of blood cells, which are red blood cells and the white blood cells. Right? Now, the next fun fact is there are 26 bones in a human foot. Have you ever thought about it? It's so interesting. Your foot is composed of 26 bones. That's amazing. Now, moving on. Look at your hand. The human hand, including your wrist, contains 54 bones. That's awesome. that's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed learning about bones watching this video, and I hope it was informative for you. If you have any questions, you can post your comments below. If still you want to learn more, you can watch more videos related to this, and please stay tuned to the BSU YouTube channel to learn more about bones. Thank you. Bye.